So we did warn you guys about this a few days ago, highlighting different areas for each day, but I want to cover this stuff today for you because there's active systems on the ground, and there's multiple tornado warnings, there's multiple hail warnings, etc. And there's there's stuff happening as we speak. So I want to first focus on the Missouri area because you have systems heading your way as we speak, specifically over in Springfield. And so we're going to zoom in here. Now you can see we have systems coming from Oklahoma heading over to the Springfield area. So we're going to go ahead and play this. And we stop about right here. Now just north of Joplin, Missouri, over in Pittsburgh, you have a severe thunderstorm warning, tornado watch, and a flood watch. And then as you move northwest, severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch. And this is a gigantic area, by the way. This is a massive area for a tornado watch. And then here as well, right? So really, basically from, it looks like Columbus all the way to Garnett, right? That entire area, really. This is extremely, extremely massive area. Same thing for west of Miami, right? West of Welch, heading over to Bartlett, right? And so all that's happening in Missouri as we speak, and these systems are actually traveling northeast, right? So if you are northeast of the locations that I just mentioned, then I would say to, just pay attention and watch your weather. Make sure you're tracking this stuff, right? And make sure you're using local resources as best you can. And then also you can see Gladstone up here as well. To Oklahoma, there's some pretty severe things happening, right? We're looking at tornado warning, tornado watch, right? West of McAllister, I believe it is, right? Then also right on top of Ada, right? Again, several systems here. It's insane to see this, right? You essentially have what looks to be 6 separate systems, right? All working in unison. You also have a system down here, right? Just east of Wichita Falls. And there's a warning there, right? You're looking at severe thunderstorm warning and tornado watch. So they're likely seeing some rotation with those systems. There's multiple things happening, guys. So just please make sure that you guys are tracking this stuff because these systems are deadly, like we saw, the past few days, unfortunately. So just make sure that you guys are tracking this. Make sure you guys are taking cover, and just make sure you're aware of this, right? You want to get into a strong building if you can, to the very bottom layer, and then obviously make sure that the room that you're in is reinforced as best you can. And if there's flooding in your area, obviously take that into account, right? You don't want to be trapped into a room where you have flooding, right? So make sure you have a way to leave if you need to leave. And again, all of this stuff is so dependent on your specific situation, right? So again, make sure that you're tracking local resources, make sure you have your ham radios, and make sure that you have obviously your med kits, illumination, your primary, your alternate contingency, your emergency communications, all those different things. And we will keep you guys updated as best we can. And then also, if you are in any of these areas, please comment down below. Please keep us updated. Let us know what's happening so we can help other people that may not know what's going on, right? We want to reach as many people as we possibly can. And so with your help, we can definitely do that. You guys stay safe, and we will keep you updated again as best we can. God bless.